we all are brothers. He is my cousin and he is my elder brother. How are you, my cousin, brother?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. How are you, my elder brother?
I am fine. And how are you, my younger brother?
I am also fine. What are you doing, Sisupal?
I am talking with you.
But why? There is many boys in our class. Why would you like to choose me? If you want to talk, then you want to talk other boys.
Because you are intelligent boy, I don't choose you, sir choose you, okay?
Okay.
Are you happy today, Tripurari?
Yes, I am happy today because my parents had come today.
Okay.
Ari, can you tell me what would be the temperature of today?
Yes, my elder brother. I may tell you the temperature of today is 45 degrees Celsius. Okay.
Okay, Murari, I am asking you one question. How do we know that today is the temperature 46 degree?
I can't tell you because I do not know about this.
Okay.
Sisupal, can you give me a pen? If you will give me, then I will give you. When my parents will come, then I will give you a new pen in the place of your pen because now I will have to write a chapter. Sir will give us. Okay, can you give me?
Yes, I can give you. Then first you may tell which chapter you wrote.
Chapter 13. Reaching out.
Which subject?
Science.
Can you tell me who read you science?
Yes, I can tell you, Mithun sir. And I want to ask you a question. What are you studying in science? Can you tell me about this chapter? What do you know about this chapter?
Yes, I can tell you. We read previous class in air, force, work and energy.
Can you tell me what do you know about this chapter?
Force. The example of force is anything that we pull. Then our energy waste is called force.
Yes,
okay.
yes. I can understand you. What do you want to say? Okay.
Okay.
It's your turn. You can ask my elder brother.
Are you climbing this mountain?
Yes, I climbed this mountain because this mountain is very small. Murari, do you know our elder brother became a professor of Ananda College?
Yes, I know.
Who told you?
Our parents told us.
When?
A study.
Okay.
Sisupal, do you know this is not our class? Our class is done because the principal sir spoke us. You should sit on the roof because when you sit on the roof, the sun gives light on the roof, and when you sit there, the light gives you vitamin D.
Yes.
Do you know about this?
Yes,
What
I
is vitamin D and who give us vitamin D?
Yes, I know about vitamin D. The sun gives us vitamin D and many minerals give us vitamin D. How do you know about vitamin D?
Because it gives us energy, protein, and it helps us to grow. Okay.
Okay. How is your elder brother Tripurari in Nalanda College?
My elder brother is very fine in Ananda College and he is a professor of Ananda College.
The teacher of Ananda College?
No, professor.
Okay.
Sisupal, I am asking you one question. How do you know that I am your cousin?
You tell your father tell me.
Okay. Murari, which things gave by Narendra Modi in our house?
Yes, and many other things is given by our Narendra Modi, and he is the Prime Minister. Sisupal, why are you not used to study? You should read. If you want to become anything, then you will have to read, study. Okay.
Okay.
And want to serve your father.
Okay. Can you tell me who is the Prime Minister of India?
Yes, I can tell you. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India.
Your father is vote give him.
Yes, my father's giving vote.
Tripurari, your father is also give him vote.
Yes, my father and his father is one.
Okay.
Murari, can you tell me what is the full form of CBSE?
CBSE. I forgot this. Can you tell me?
I don't know about this, so I am asking you.
Okay. Sisupal, do you know who is the Railway Minister of India?
Yes, I know. Ashwini Vaishnavi is the Railway Minister of India. How do you know about that?
The sir told us the regular minister of our country is Ismail Ismail. But I did not know this. What is regular minister? Can you tell me about regular minister?
I don't know that because sir is not teachers. Can you tell me?
I also do not know. Okay.
Okay. Tripurari, you would like to eat with me some food.
Yes,
Can you tell me which vitamin give us apple?
as I know, I can tell you. Vitamin C. And vitamin C give our face clean.
Okay, it's your turn. You ask him.
Murari, when will we take vitamin D in morning?
It's 7 o'clock, between 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock.
How do you know about?
Because sir told us,
Who told you?
Mithun sir, and he is our conversation teacher.
Okay.
Okay. Sisupal, can you tell me when India have freedom?
I don't know. Can you tell me?
Yes, I can tell you. Yes, we India has freedom, but I do not know this. When India have got their our government,
Question repeat.
when India have got their own government.
I don't know. Can you tell me?
Yes, I can tell you. 1947.
Tripurari, when do you wake up? First, what do you do?
After I woke up 8 o'clock and having woke up, I brushed and running. Okay.
Okay. When do you eat food?
I ate food at 9 o'clock.
Which food would you like to eat? In 9 o'clock. 8 and 9 o'clock.
Bread, vegetable.
Okay.
Okay. Murari, how do you know about Mithun sir?
Because he is our conversation teacher and he is a best teacher of our coaching. Okay.
Okay.
Sisupal, what were you telling a friend? I was listening. You are talking about a book.
Yes, I am talking about book because I am not the spoken book. So I am telling him because his parents is coming today and he bought that. I give him money.
If you want to buy any book, do you not know there is a big book center in Tilakya Dam. If you want to buy a book, then you can buy a book in the book center of Tilakya Dam.
I know, but my parents is not coming.
Okay.
So I am tell him.
Okay.
Then he buy some book from that library.
Okay.
Okay.
When will your father come?
My father will come 1st January.
Okay.
Okay. Tripurari, can you tell me what would you like to drink?
I would not like to drink anything.
I needed a box. Can you give me?
As I gave you when.
8 9 o'clock morning.
Okay.
Okay. Have you a pen?
As I have a pen,
Which type of pen?
black ball pen,
Can you tell me what is the color of that pen?
black.
Okay. I needed a black pen. Okay. Can you give me?
Okay. I gave you.
It's your turn. You ask him.
Okay. Murari, I think that when your father was not coming here, you nevertheless you was also happy.
Yes. When my father will not come, then I will also help him.
How do you living here?
Because if I want to become anything, then I will have to study, and I am used to study in this coaching.
And what do you know about importance of study?
It helps us to boost our brain power and gain brain knowledge. Okay.
Okay.
Sisupal, are you able to climb any type of mountain? Slope mountain, hilly region mountain, which mountain have lots of trees? Are you able to climb this type of mountain?
I would like to climb any mountain because when I climb a mountain then I fall it. Okay. So I would not like to climb mountain.
Okay.
Would you like to climb mountain?
I would not like to climb any mountain because I am hot.
Okay. Are you able to close this door?
As I am I want to close this door.
Can you tell me what is it?
As I can tell you, this is a box.
Yes, you can write.
Okay, Murari, which things gave by our Chief Minister of Jharkhand in our house?
I can't tell you because I do not used to read our permanent house. It is our coaching, okay?
And what do you know about Maya Yojana?
I do not know about any use now, okay?
Okay.
See, Sisupal, this will help the poor.
Yes, we should help the poor.
But why if they have their own legs, our foods, but then how can they do not their work?
I help beggars. I don't help poor. Okay. Can you tell me who made this poster?
I can't tell you because I do not know who made this.
Can you tell me who is the principal of your coaching?
Yes, I can tell you. Ashok sir is the principal of our coaching. Okay.
Which type of he is principal? Can you tell me?
Yes, he is a good principal in our coaching. Okay.
Okay. What is the name of your coaching?
The name of my coaching is Nathanath Residential Coaching Center, Tilaiya Dam. Do you not know there is right the name of our coaching?
I know, but I tell you because I thinking that you have forget that. Okay.
No, where we used to read, we can't forget the name of our field and our coaching. Okay.
Okay. Tripurari, who is your best friend?
My best friend is Saurabh and he is very intelligent boy in this class.
Can you tell me him? He is a stand-up because I can speak him some question.
Okay. He is a Saurabh and you had asked him question.
Saurav, how do you do?
I'm fine.
Would you like-
He would not like to ask how are you. He would like to ask you how do you do. Are you not understanding what you want to say? I did not understand this question.
Okay.
Next question you ask me.
You would like to sit here and talking with me?
Yes, I would like to sit there and talk with you.
Okay, can you sit?
Okay. Next time I talk with you.
Okay.
When will you talk with me then? Very happy.
Okay. I'm also happy for asking your friend. Okay.
Okay.
Next week is Sisupal to talk with you. Okay. We should give chance other boy. Okay.
Okay, I'm very happy today because I am talking with you.
Okay.
Okay. Are you also Tripurari?
I am also happy with talk with you.
Nice to meet you. See you tomorrow.
Okay.
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 Okay, my elder brother.
Okay.
Okay.